getting a bit silly. We've got to take them. We just got to put them down, haven't we? We take out their base, they might move somewhere else.
Well, I mean, it's fair game if they want to take our stuff, but I mean, we just don't know. We need to be able to, retaliate. We just don't have no clue where they are, so...
Yeah.
If we know their bases, and then it's fair game, we can, fight fire with fire. Oh, truck in front! Truck!
Ooh,
Guys!
city.
What are we gonna do? Get in front of it and shoot it?
I've got nothing, I haven't even got a gun.
I'm gonna get in front and shoot it.
In our space?
Yeah, I'm just ran right past. It's coming right down the main road. I just passed it.
I see. Can you show me again?
Yeah, it's right behind me.
Nice
Got
shot,
him.
Nice shot.
He's dead.
No. Wait.
Turn them.
Yeah.
There's one with a pink jacket.
Alright, stop. Maybe he has teammate or
Nice.
something. Nice.